welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to track team progress in Notion projects. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to track team progress in Notion projects, all you can do is simply go and tap open Notion. Once you open your Notion, you need to simply get logged in into your account. Once you have logged in into your account, to track your team progress in Notion, you need to create a central database with properties for status, assignees, and deadlines. Use different views like board to drag and drop your task, timelines to visualize your project schedules, and calendar to see upcoming deadline. You can also create a dashboard with charts to visualize your progress across projects and use roll-up properties to automatically calculate project completion rates from related tasks. So this way you can simply track team progress in Notion projects. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.